Remove E9, E10, E11, E21. Smooth E11, E21 with wax chunk. Assemble them in order. Remove E11, E21 and smooth with wax chunk. Assemble them in order. Remove 1E14, 1E22 and 2E13. Smooth E14, E22 with wax chunk. Assemble them in order. Remove Y23, P1, please remove protective film first. Remove 1E15 and 2E18. Assemble them in order. Remove 2E12, 2E23 and 2E18. Assemble them in order and smooth E23 and E12 with wax chunk. Take out the crawler belt and assemble it. Move the rotating shaft into place by hand. Remove E20, E26 and 4E19. Assemble them in order. Take out base 2, pass the lamp 4 through the hollow part of the component. Remove one E4 and two E31 and assemble them. Pass lamp 4 through the hollow part to snap it in place. Then assemble with the whole unit. Remove E27, E24, E25, E28. Assemble them in order. Remove two F10, two F11 and assemble them. Remove two F39, two F9, one Y25, R1. Assemble them in order. Then assemble with the whole unit. Remove two F13, two F8, one Y25, R2. Assemble them in order. Then assemble with the whole unit. Assemble with base 2, it must be pressed firmly. Remove L2 and assemble it, secure the wire. Pull the wire back gently. Complete the assembly of base 3. Operational testing. Connect the Type-C power cord board with the power cord, plug in the power cord. Tap touch switch and check if the gear and speaker work normally. When testing, be careful not to get the wire stuck in the gear. If the gear does not run smoothly, it needs to be removed to check if the waxing positions marked have been waxed, and if the gear parts have been waxed. Please ensure that the operation is smooth before the next step of assembly. The higher the degree of completion, the more difficult it is to disassemble to find the cause of the delay. Remove D2, D21. D2, D21 can optionally be edge colored with Y32 pen according to your personal preference. Remove 1D9, 3L1, 1Y25, R3. Assemble them in order. Remove 1D8 and 2D1. Assemble them in order. Remove D4, D5. Remove Y19, insert and secure in order. Then assemble with the whole unit. Take out base 3 and assemble it. Remove 2D1, 1D6, 1D7 and assemble them. Then assemble with the whole unit. Remove 1 F5, 2 F14, 2 F17, 1 F18, take out one each of Y13 steel shaft, Y10 sleeve, Y17 plastic spacer. Smooth F5, F14, F18 with wax chunk. Assemble them in order. Remove F1, F2, F4, F6. Assemble them in order. Take out base 3. Remove 2 F19 and assemble them. Then assemble with the whole unit. Remove F22 and assemble it. The part is fragile, please assemble it carefully. Complete the assembly of base 4. Operational testing. Connect the Type-C power cord board with the power cord, plug in the power cord. Tap touch switch and check if the gear and speaker work normally. When testing, be careful not to get the wire stuck in the gear. If the gear does not run smoothly, it needs to be removed to check if the waxing positions marked have been waxed, and if the gear parts have been waxed. Please ensure that the operation is smooth before the next step of assembly. The higher the degree of completion, the more difficult it is to disassemble to find the cause of the delay. Remove one F23, 2 G13, 1 G15, 1 G16. Assemble them in order and smooth F23 with wax chunk. Remove G14, take out the electronic kit with lamp 1. Pass the lamp 1 through the hollow part. Then assemble with the whole unit. Remove G17, apply glue and assemble to secure. Complete the assembly of part 6. Remove F43, F38, F40, F41. Assemble them in order, please note the color markings. Remove 2 F16 and assemble them. Remove 2 F28, 1 F15. Smooth F28 with wax chunk. Then assemble them in order. Remove F24, F34, F36, F37, F25, F35. Smooth F24, F34, F36, F37 with wax chunk. Assemble them, pay attention to orientation of F25. Remove F33, F29, F32. Smooth F33 with wax chunk. Assemble them in order. Remove 2 F30, 2 F31. Smooth F30 with wax chunk. Assemble them in order. Remove one each of Y13 steel shaft, Y10 sleeve, Y17 plastic spacer. Assemble them in order, make sure the gears are engaged. Remove F26, F27 and assemble them, apply a small amount of glue. Remove part 6 and assemble it. Remove 2L2 and assemble them, secure the wire. Insert the wire into the groove. Remove one Y25, Q2, 4F7, 4E17. Assemble them in order. Remove 4F21 and assemble them, apply a small amount of glue. Take out the just assembled whole unit and assemble around it. Apply glue to secure. After pasting, press for 3 minutes and wait for the glue to set. Remove 4F42 and assemble them. Remove 8Y11, 1Y31 double-sided tape. Use Y31 double-sided tape to stick the Y11. Remove Y23, P2, please remove protective film first. Remove G25, assemble them in order. Remove G18, G26 and assemble them. Remove G19 and smooth with wax chunk. Then assemble it, pay attention to orientation. Remove G24, G23, G30, G29. Assemble them in order. The part is fragile, please assemble it carefully. Remove 3G12 and assemble them. Remove H30, H13, Y30, N3 and assemble them. Then assemble with the whole unit. Remove 1G27 and 2G28. Snap the lamp 2 into the clips. Then assemble to secure. Remove 2L2 and assemble them, secure the wire. Use 3 pieces of Y31 double-sided tape to stick and secure the wire. Remove H3. H3 can optionally be edge colored with Y32 pen according to your personal preference. Then assemble with the whole unit. Remove 2H2, 1Y25, S2. Assemble them in order. Remove H24, H23, H19, H20, H21. Smooth H24 with wax chunk, backsided waxing. Assemble them in order. Remove Y15 and assemble it. Organize the strip lights. Remove G3. Remove Y31 double-sided tape. Use double-sided tape to stick the strip lights onto G3 shown in video. Make sure the starting point of the strip lights is consistent with the starting point on G3. Remove 4G31, assemble to secure the strip lights. Remove 2G6, 1G7, 2G8, 1G9, 1G11, 4G10. Assemble them in order. Remove G5, G1, G32. Assemble G1 and G32. Assemble G5 and pass the wire through the hollow part of G5. Remove Y30, N8, N20 and assemble them. Remove Y22 and assemble it smooth side facing out. Remove G2, G4 and assemble them. Remove 4G22 and assemble them. Remove Y20, Y21 and assemble them. Y21 needs its protective film removed first. Remove 2Y30, N17, 1N7, 1N15. Apply glue, then assemble and stick them in order. Remove 4Y11, use Y31 double-sided tape to stick. Remove G20, G21 and assemble them. Then assemble with the just assembled part. Insert the wire into the groove first, then assemble them. When assembling, the wire needs to be gently pulled down. Remove 1Y25, T3, 5H1. Assemble them in order. Remove H34, H38, H39, H37, H35, H40. H34, H35 can optionally be edge colored with Y33 pen according to your personal preference. Assemble them in order. Then assemble with the whole unit. Remove Y27M11. Please remove protective film first. Remove Y11. Use 3 pieces of Y31 double-sided tape to stick, smooth side of M11 facing out. Remove Y30, N11, N4, N6. Assemble Y30, N11. Remove 2Y11. Use Y31 double-sided tape to stick the 2Y11s onto the rough side of N11. Remove 1Y11, use Y31 double-sided tape to stick Y11 onto the rough side of N4. Then assemble with the whole unit. Remove 2Y11, use Y31 double-sided tape to stick Y11 onto the rough side of N6. Then assemble with the whole unit. Remove base 4 and assemble it. Remove 1L8, 2L1, 1Y25, R4. Assemble them in order. Plug in the terminal, pay attention to orientation. Assemble the parts, arrange the wire to the position shown in video. Then combine the whole assembly, pay attention to hold the position shown in the video while assembling. Remove H22 and assemble it. Complete the assembly of base 5. Operational testing. Connect the Type-C power cord board with the power cord, plug in the power cord. Tap touch switch and check if the gear and speaker work normally. During testing, be careful not to let wires catch on gears. If the gear does not run smoothly, it needs to be removed to check if the waxing positions marked have been waxed, and if the gear parts have been waxed. Please ensure that the operation is smooth before the next step of assembly. The higher the degree of completion, the more difficult it is to disassemble to find the cause of the delay. Remove 2H4, 1H26, 1H15, 1H17. Smooth H4 and H26 with wax chunk, and assemble them in order. Remove H10, H12, H6, H8. You can choose whether to use the Y33 pen to apply a coating on the edges as per your preference. Assemble them in order. Remove H11, H5, H7, H9. Assemble them in order. Remove H18 and assemble it. Remove Y26, U3. Apply glue and stick. Remove I7, I6. Remove Y28, W1, please remove protective film on both sides. Smooth I7 and I6 with wax chunk, then assemble them. Complete the assembly of star tube.